Hello everyone, my name is Shahinur Alam. I am 18 years old. I am from West Bengal. I did my class 10th in 2022 with 96.4 percentage. From a young age, I harbored a fervent ambition to join the Navy, which led me to pursue admission to the National Defense Academy. While I was in class 12, I appeared for the NDA examination for the first time, but I was unable to clear the examination, and regrettably, I could not appear for it again for my age limit. 6 months elapsed in this aftermath, and I found myself yet to commence my board examination preparation. Most of my classmates covered all the chapters within that time, but I just started. It was really a hard time, and I was depressed. One day, while aimlessly scrolling through YouTube, I stumbled upon a YouTube channel called Budding Mariners. I think this discovery marked a pivotal moment in my life. The mentors at Budding Mariners provided me invaluable encouragement and reigniting determination. Subsequently, I resumed my preparation with a renewed vigor and juggling my both Navy aspiration and board preparation. And I was consistently undertaking mock exams to hone my skills.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Following my board examination, plus 12 board examination, and I appeared for the fleet management, and I successfully cleared the written portion. But the subsequent challenge was the interview, which was the crucial component of the selection process. I am thankful to Nirmala ma'am and Kevin sir, whose guidance were really instrumental in my interview preparation. Also, Oja sir helped me a lot, and I think their support was pivotal in my success as I cleared my interview with their assistance. Meanwhile, my board results were announced, and I got 83%. And comparing with my class 10th result, it is not so good, but it's okay. And having successfully navigated the written portion, interview, and psychometric test, and also the medical examination, the last and the final hurdle was the imucet. And I'm proud to make you know that I got an All India rank of 498 in that examination. And now I am going to commence my pre-sea training course at International Maritime Institute. And I am thankful to every mentors at Budding Mariners who helped me fulfilling my dream. And I am really proud to be a part of Budding Mariners. And yes, that's all my new journey. Signing off. Jai Hind.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.